Video 526, let's get into it. So we've added new variables. In the top level variables section where there's no fucking lookup tables, we have 0tx and 0ty. This is going to be gtx and gty when the tile size exponent is equal to 0. And we're going to use it because our fractal brush is kind of always in terms of tile size exponent 0. These right here are the uniform locations of 0tx, 0ty. So up here, right, so it's in the same section here. And that's the address of the variable on the GPU in terms of the address in which 0tx, 0ty is stored on the GPU side. Okay, ArtGirl shader uniforms. These are a whole bunch of reusable uniform variables that we can include in any shader, and I've inserted 0tx and 0ty right here in this section. ArtGirl shader strings in this section, if we go all the way down to shader source fragment number 5, which was the first serious shader that we wrote, I just made an insertion right down here. Now, we're not actually using this, so it's commented out with a little thing that says uniform not used by this shader, but I just put this here because I like to be able to find my way around the code. In the ArtGirl function section, in uniform put, we are putting the uniforms onto the GPU right here, these new uniforms. So here's the location on the GPU, and here is the value we want to put onto the GPU. Then in render pipeline load in ArtGirl, we have made a modification right here. This is where we're going to get the address of 0tx and 0ty for the currently loaded shader program, the program ID here. In Mouse Master, in the force update function, we have made a modification right here. So 0tx and 0ty is just gtx and gty when the tile size exponent is 0. So it's the same call as this call here, but we've replaced tile size exponent with 0 right down here. In editor put, Mouse Master editor put, we've just made a note here that we're also updating 0tx, 0ty now when we call this function. Here's what we did previously. Footnotes, what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You are on the advanced playlist here. If you just want technical demos, go here. Source code is here, and you can email me here. I'm Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO. Like and subscribe.